All right, good evening, everyone. I hope we are all good. This I'm recording this for most people who will not be able to join this session for this weekly outlook. So first and foremost, let's check what will be happening this week on trading, on Forex options. Right. So these are the news, or this is what will be happening this week. And we can see more reds. So more reds, right? You can see that, okay, there's a bank holiday on Monday for the Chinese. Pounds also have a 3-month count change, which they're expecting it to be negative. Expecting to be negative. Average earnings index, we're also expecting this one to remain stable. And there's US 10-year bond here. Okay. So Tuesday, okay, so the German counting is Tuesday. Then Wednesday we have Chinese CPI and the rest. So the same Wednesday we have CPI for the dollar, right? This is the CPI for the dollar, and then for this CPI, we are expecting we are expecting the same. Okay, so big players are expecting the CPI to be stable, like inflation rate to be stable. That's CPI month on month. That's called CPI. Then CPI month on month, we're expecting a fall in inflation. So then CPI yearly, we are also expecting a stable inflation rate. Then Wednesday, that same day, we also have federal funds rate, which is FOMC, right? We are expecting a stable interest rate, meaning that there will not be an increase in interest rate or a fall in interest rate. But what can come might be different, because reading some articles, I saw that they read some part which was saying that there's like 70% probability that the Fed will decrease rates. I don't know how true this will be. Well, let's see what will happen from here, right? Sorry for my code. Then we have the economic projections and then fund statements, FOMC statements. So we are going to see that in the course of the week. Then all to have their unemployment rate here. And right. So we have 4 PPIs will be here. Right, we are expecting a 4. Right. So the Bank of Japan is also having their policy rates this same week. So this week is very bloody. Very bloody. Sorry. So now let's enter the chart and see what's happening. So let's start with DXY. This DXY is booming. Let's start from 1 week. All right. So on the weekly time frame, you can see DXY is on a bullish move, right? This is a bullish move for DXY. We're expecting a more move to the upside. We are expecting a more move to the upside for DXY. So we can target for DXY this lower. So we can target at least this high at our first point. So target is high. That's 105. Yeah, first high. And then if it continues, maybe next week, probably we can be targeting here. Let's go to the daily chart and then look at what's happening. All right. Okay, so 4, 5, 4. So now you can see there's a change of character in the daily time frame here. And the market has looking so there's a change of character here. So what we can be expecting is something like this. Since there's a change of character, maybe market can proceed to this side, or maybe it can just test from here and then we see a move. So it's currently market. All right, so looking at it technically, impulse, retracement, impulse, yeah, some retracement. So we can explain a move, maybe something like this, right? Like this was just an inducement. So I'm not thinking this is a single factor, it's just an inducement. It's an inducement. So we're expecting a move to the upside on the dollar index, right? So this is what we're expecting on the dollar index. So we're expecting a strong dollar index, right? So let me go to my favorite pair. So let me look at something Moza.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me?
The audio is shaking. The audio
Wow.
is shaking.
So
I can hear you. Okay, it's okay now.
uh, yes. So I think we are in a move to the upside again. 60-60. This one is so yeah, moving to the upside.
Okay.
So I think so let me check 4 hour and see what's happening down there. All right. So NFT has changed the whole direction. It has changed to different. The market should break here totally. So this has taken with it. So yeah, it is better. So yeah, market should break here very well. Then we expect market should break here very well. So it has already swept its flat. I think this is a sign of a false movement. So I think we might see a small retest then a continuation. Let's see. Because you can see dollar is extremely bullish. Bullish, yeah. So
Yeah.
let's go to one and see what's happening. Alright, so the same thing is here. If it's here, it's more or less like a little bit. So yeah, dollar will be strong this week. That's what I think. Dollar will be strong this week according to what is being shown on the chart. Dollar will be strong this week. Dollar will be strong. So let me go to Euro USD. Euro, I think Europe had some kind of election. Is it? I don't know whether it's Germany or has some kind of election. So elections normally make the pair weeks more.
Oh, okay.
Uh, so the market just opened though, but it has started selling. Just okay, it has sold just because of the election. It has sold from 1.080 up to almost like 40 pips just because of the election. Let me start from 1 week. Euro USD. So on a weekly time frame, Euro USD is trying to is trying to sell more, more, more. So this is our prime target. If in case all other factors are held constant, this will be our prime target. Maybe, yeah, I'm sure dollar can be strong this week to come here. Yeah, it's possible. So price 1.0596 can be one of our targets. Let's check the daily and then look at what's happening there too. So on the daily time frame, you can see the market is here moving down. So you can see something here. Lovely. So this is why I think market is heading to this side. So I think market will be coming down up to this side. I think market will be coming down up to this side. Okay. So yeah, predicting something like this. Maybe someone move to the outside. Maybe that's the prime target is better. Those are prime targets. So this I'm expecting sales on Euro USD too. Right? If all other factors are held constant. Let's try GBP. Okay, let me try 4 hour. Look at what's happening there. So the same thing here. Market took liquidity or inducement here, right? Took inducement and then broke structure, which is US. Yes, happened there. Right. So here became a lower low. And now it has been broken. So there is a change of character. Now we can anticipate if only market will come to this side as sell points of interest. Right. Sometimes it might not come there, but let's anticipate. Sometimes it can come there, sometimes it might not come there. If in case it will come there, fine. If it doesn't, move on to the daily. So let me check on 1 hour time frame and look at what's happening here. So, all right. So, for example, I think there was a breaker block here. And this breaker block has been infiltrated, something like that. So it is possible market can come and then mitigate this breaker block before moving, or it can come to the prime high, something like that. So it has something like this. And so this can also happen like this. So something like this. I think USD chart is clear. It's clear. As market suits liquidity, broke structure, and then now has changed character. So a clear move to the downside. Clear move will be to the downside. Clear move. So we should be anticipating more sales on Euro USD this week. Yes, more sales. More sales. More sales. More sales. So let's go to GBP. Look what's happening here. Let's start from our 1 week. So 1 week is also trying to predict some kind of sell moves here. As markets broke this small high, before it break the high, it took liquidity here. So clearly, here became a lower low. Here became a lower low before this high was formed. So here becomes change of character in the weekly time frame. Take off short. And now there's so now there has been a tap on this whole other block, and we are seeing some cells here. So clearly, this week will be some cells for GBP USD too. Wow, dollar is coming to gain strength. So let's take one daily time and look at what happens. Okay. On the daily time frame, I think it hasn't really confirmed for cells yet on daily time frame. It hasn't really confirmed very big cells. Let me check 4 hour and see. Think so price is intact here. Let's wait till it breaks here. Then we see some kind of change of character in the hour time frame. The market breaks here. Kind of, even though market is trying to show us that dollar will be strong, but let's on GBP USD, let's wait. I think we waiting will be far better. So here is more or less like another block. Something like this. Right. So let me go to 1 9 and look at what's happening there. And 1 9 market came this high without any liquidity, without any inducement. So still, thanks still for GBP USD, it is still in a move to that side still until this low is broken. It should still be even though yeah, USD will be selling the paper, but this pair hasn't really cooked for sales yet. Let's wait till it breaks the low, and then we will see that okay, market has really cooked for sales, right? So let me go to my favorite pair. My favorite pair. Okay, good. But they found it. It's so under today. All right. So let me start from 1 week. It's been a funny week, right? So on Thursday, we were seeing markets around here, around 2391, right? And just on Friday, even on Friday morning, market was still going up, and within some few minutes, everything escalated. We saw a very big, it was a very big bullish candle, and then it changed within some few hours to a bearish candle. You know the reason why? Do you know what happened?
No.
There are some group of people in China. The China group, we call them PBOs. Let's do this research right now. PBOs. The PBOs or what? Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes, people. The People's Bank of China. These people used to always buy gold every month. They were trying to increase their reserves for gold almost every month. Like every month they buy plenty of gold, right? But for the month of May, it was reported that they didn't buy even 1 kobo of gold. So it was that report that came out, NMR gold price, SLE anyhow. No? So it came online that the whole month of May, these people did not buy gold, not even 1 kobo. They didn't buy gold. They didn't buy gold. What will I? Let me see whether. Oh, I said they don't pull their reports again. So it came into they brought a report that they didn't buy any gold in the month of May. So that is what triggered gold to be selling anyhow. So currently, since they have stopped purchasing gold for now, until they start buying gold, I think gold will be selling for now. And dollar is also strong too. So gold will be going down, 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 down. So we can anticipate um this price 2277 as our first price. Gold is likely tap, which is like 200 and something pips away, right? Then we can also anticipate here. We can also anticipate here 2227 because since they've not bought any gold in May, I think gold will be selling the whole of June till the end of June. So for this June, our buyers sells. I think so because of that information. But let's see. Me, for example, I'm a day trader and I'm a price action trader. So anything that happens, I don't know if you were monitoring my post on the Telegram page on Friday. You remember I was saying that gold will sell before it will buy, right? Then later I changed that the intraday bias has changed from bullish to bearish. So markets like we should be expecting more sales, right? On Friday, did you notice that?
Yeah, I noticed. We changed the
Yes. Just because of what was happening on the chart. So sometimes my analysis for the week can change within the day. Like maybe I'll be expecting buys for the week, but during what will be happening within the week, then I'll change to maybe sales instead. So even though I'm looking for sales, maybe something can happen within the week, and then I'll be anticipating for buys. You get it? So, but for my general buyers, I'm looking for sales for the upcoming week. So let's go to daily time frame and look at what's happening. So you can see here, everything was moving up, pepper. Then only Friday, boom. Only Friday, boom. So now let's expect this low to be broken. Then after that, so I think that on Monday, which is today, so expect market to come up small, and then let's see a continuation to the downside, something like that. Or because the way market is extremely bearish, it can also continue selling. But let's see. But I think it's extremely bearish. It can be selling continuously like that, or it can also show some retracement some more before selling. Let's check. So currently buyers for 4 hour, is bearish. 4 hours is bearish. 4 hours is bearish, and 4 hours is bearish. Check one. 1 hour is extremely bearish. Shows gold can go up to the top. Gold is not coming anywhere near these prices. 230 something till the end of the month, maybe next month, because of that pressure. So in case of anything, maybe here can be a point of first kind of reversal, something like that. Or here. Let me tell you one secret. Normally, whenever I'm looking for sales for the week, I always anticipate that Monday will give me a Judas swing. When we say a Judas swing, a swing that will be going in the opposite direction, like a market movement that will be going in the opposite direction. So if I'm expecting sales for this week, I'll be expecting Monday to give me buys. Then after the buys on Monday, Tuesday, I get confirmation, and then boom. So last week, for example, I was looking for buys. So I was expecting what is it, Monday. No, I was looking for sales. Yeah, because of this pressure, I was looking for sales. So I was expecting Monday to buy, then Tuesday I joined the sales. So Monday also bought pepper. Tuesday I got in the sales, and I was expecting to hold for a very long time, and it didn't work. So on Wednesday, market came back in the buy, and I said, okay, then my buyers are seeing to buy this week. So Thursday I entered the buys. We even entered it on our platform on the VIP page, and we had like 250 pips. Right, all CP were hit. 55, 250 pips was hit. And then Friday I was expecting okay. Then now and then I'm heading towards the outside. Then I was seeing some sales. I was like, what's happening? Because I've marked my setup, I've marked everything. Market just broke through my setup like nothing has happened. Even though me, I've never entered any trade without confirmation. Yes. So this trade, for example, came to my POI without confirmation, and it broke through. Thankfully, there was no confirmation, so I hadn't entered any trade. I think I like Mr. Canning and Ash. Because one mini trade when one for buys. So basically, the upcoming week, I'm expecting more something good because of what I've seen on the market. And if everyone is trying to decrease rate, if the dollar doesn't decrease their rate, then it means that it will still be a bit stronger as compared to the other currencies, right? So I'm also expecting sales on gold. Let me look at US 100. It is trying to become my favorite these days.
US 100.
Mm. So US 100 is there? Is that what? So US 100? Yes. Is that what had happened?
I think it's a stock.
Yeah. It's an index. 100 index.
Index.
Yeah.
Okay.
So last week we can see the market became bullish, right? Market is bullish on the Nasdaq, but currently NSE was positive and everything, but still I think Nasdaq will still be moving to the upside. So what am I expecting for the week? I'm expecting buys in the upcoming week. So let me go to one daily time frame. So I'm expecting a buy. I'm expecting Monday to sell. But at least Mondays will sell and then fill, let's say, this fair value gap. So market will sell to hit at the low of this week, right? And then fill here. Fill at least 50% of here. So I'm gonna use this. Maybe at least 50% of here. So 50% of here is like here. Right. So market maybe at least will come and fill and then tap at least either 50% or below. Then I see some confirmations. Then boom. So let me check for our time frame and look at what will happen. Yes. So still, when market fills 60% of this week, still market wouldn't change bias. It wouldn't change character to sell. It will still be in a buying trend. So this looks a bit valid. Let me see one. Still, really, so markets will come around this side, then you see some kind of buying momentum from here. And then oil too is trying to become favorite these days because oil is very sweet. We use it in our everyday life. So currently I've heard that the OPEC wants to cut like they want to cut supplies of oil because you see oil is a kind of pair which is like I think it is easier to trade oil than most of the other pairs. This is because oil mostly moves with demand and supply. So when OPEC, which is the Organization for Petroleum Exporting Countries, right, when they want to reduce exports or they want to reduce the production of oil, meaning that the price of oil is about to go high. So meaning these prices are coming to go high. So since the time they issued a statement that they want to cut this, the market initially moved to the downside and now it is trying to go to the upside. So I think the buys have started. So I'm expecting this week, I'm expecting buys on oil and I'm expecting buys on oil, but I'm expecting Monday to move a bit down. So Monday should come somewhere here and then we see a move. But I don't mean that the whole week will move to this big high. It can be possible, but maybe relatively. So now we're expecting a move to the upside here on oil. So a bit downtrend on oil on Monday, then reverse quickly to the upside. This is what I'm anticipating on oil. Right. So these are my checklist for this week. Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, US 100, and then oil. So do you have hello?
Hello.
Do you understand
Yes,
what I've done so far?
yeah, I've understood it.
Okay. Do you have any pen in mind you want me to analyze?
Mm, no,
You don't have any pen in mind.
no. What are the
What's your
things you want?
favorite pen?
Oh, me anything I like. But because of
Hey,
you, I'm starting.
that was.
I said because of you, I'm starting to like food.
Don't like any pen, or sometimes you die. Oh.
Maybe I promise I'm not believing. Say, family who be you.
Yes, 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 you want to continue blowing account?
Oh
Not
no,
good.
my
Not good.
no.
Okay.
I mean, me take it breaking. If you trace now thinking,
Wow.
let me take you. But I'm who's
Prof-
like a hit piece now.
Profitable trades on fa. That is a surplus number fa. Okay.
If you have a flexible course.
Almost check and book.
Mm,
So, do you
I
have
think
any questions?
no.
What's it like then?
Ah, is your trading view is it a paid version?
No.
Hey, because it looks so
Free.
nice.
Yeah, part of it. Oh, me and my
And
science are
like,
careless.
maybe no. What I mean, can me who soon put pink and black. But the near say,
Oh, yeah. So, super mechanical
but
need you.
you are very good.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, so let's see. Let's see if this analysis will play out. If it play out this week, they may cash out big.
Cash out.
Big. So you say you don't have any question, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then in the absence of any question, I think we have to end the class for today, right?
Thank you very much.
Okay, so I'll have a fruitful weekend. Let's have big this week. No jokes. All right. Take care. Bye.
Okay.